At Republic Services, we have a deep understanding of field-tested environmental services with proven experience in equipment solutions. From safety to compliance, responsiveness to results, we are the trusted service provider you can look to for a full range of high-quality products and environmental services. We know how to respond to critical challenges safely, reliably, and responsibly. We work with speed and agility, turning complex problems into simple solutions every day. We are leaders in equipment solutions, from stainless steel tankers and roll-off boxes to carbon canisters, spill containment berms, portable toilets, and frac tanks. We have the equipment and service you need for your business. We store it. We contain it. We transport it. We rigorously maintain it. And we get it right the first time. We do it with teams of experts who make it simple and easy to do business, with proven experience in finding solutions for the most complex and unique equipment needs. We're passionate about being responsible stewards of the environment, committed to safety standards, and focused on comprehensive, integrated solutions that get the job done. We are Republic Services. We'll handle it from here.